Welcome back everybody. Today we are going to discuss very important issue which is faced by the common people. What is that issue? Generally we see when common people submit their case in the court, either it's criminal case, either it's civil case, it will take at least 3, 4 or 5 years to dispose of the case, even it's very little case. As a result of it, common people feel that court is not able to provide justice to us. They start saying that fundamental right are just mentioned in the books, it is not actionable in nature, and many more things. This only happen because common people do not have a knowledge of law. They don't know what Indian law says. Today, in this video, I will tell you how you can finish your case within 1 month in court. Either it is of a civil nature, either it is of a criminal nature. Without wasting the time, let's start the discussion. The first issue is when you submit your civil case in the court, at that time we have a order 37 of Code of Civil Procedure which says we can submit the application of summary procedure in front of magistrate, and magistrate can dispose of our case within 1 month under 1 or 2 trials. That's it. Firstly, what you have to do when you submit your civil case in the court, you have to compare your case with the order 37 of the Code of Civil Procedure. If your case is matchable with the order 37, the requirements of order 37, we can go for the summary trial and we can dispose of the case. That's it. The second thing is criminal case. When you submit your case, it is of a criminal nature in the court. At that time, from section 260 to 265 of Code of Criminal Procedure deal with the summary trial. We can submit our application in front of magistrate. If magistrate feels satisfied, he can go for the summary trial and he will dispose of our case within 1 month in just 2 or 3 trials. There are certain requirements which must present in the summary trials. The first thing is we can present this case in front of Chief Judicial Magistrate, in front of Metropolitan Magistrate, Magistrate of First Class, Magistrate of Second Class. Those cases whose punishment is not exceeding 2 years. There are so many cases, or there are so many sections in IPC which deal with this. For example, we can constitute the example of section 504, section 321, section 417, section 425. There are a lot of cases whose punishment is not exceeding 2 years. And when a common man submits his case, he has no knowledge about the summary trial. He fight his case in 4 or 5 years. He fight his case in the court for 4 or 5 years. But now what you have to do, when you are submitting your case in the court, firstly you have to match your case with the section 260 to 265 of Code of Criminal Procedure. If it is of a criminal nature, if your case is fulfilling the requirement of summary trials, go and submit application of summary trial in front of magistrate. Magistrate can dispose of this case. In summary trial, what we have to see? We have to see that magistrate will follow the procedure of summon cases. Magistrate will entertain those cases whose punishment is not exceeding 2 years. Magistrate mention the name of party. He will mention the name of complainant and many more things. So each and everything he will mention there. After that, what magistrate did? Magistrate will mention the cause under which he convict an individual, how much punishment he submit in favor of individual who is the offender, and if he acquit an individual, he will mention the proper cause why he acquit the individual, and many more things. In this way, you can dispose your case within 1 month in the court. Either it is of a criminal nature or either it is of a civil nature. Thank you so much. Know your legal rights and make yourself strong.